Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will learn prepositions of place, like in, on, under, behind, with easy examples. Let's start and make English learning fun.
Where is the ball?
The ball is on the box. The ball is in the box. The ball is above the box. The ball is below the box. The ball is under the box. The ball is next to the box. The ball is between the boxes. The ball is among the boxes. The ball is in front of the box. The ball is behind the box. The ball is near the box. The ball is far from the box.